Welcome to Topic 2, Project Organization. Today, we'll delve into organizational structures, specifically focusing on project guidelines and different types of project organizations. This foundational understanding is crucial for successful project management. Why do we need an organization? It's essentially a system for control and communication, enabling us to achieve objectives. Key elements include clear hierarchies, defined roles, effective communication, strong coordination, and appropriate centralization. Our first project management guideline is to define the objective. To minimize risk, we must clarify management's intent, outline the project's scope, and clearly describe the desired end results and permanent effects. Precision here is paramount. Guideline 2 involves establishing a project organization. For functionally organized companies, this means creating a workable compromise. It includes appointing an experienced manager, defining responsibilities, assigning staff, and balancing power between functional heads and the project manager. Our third guideline is to install robust project controls. This encompasses time control, often through network scheduling, cost control, by breaking down costs and monitoring commitments, and quality control, by defining performance criteria and standards. Project stakeholders are individuals or organizations actively involved in a project, or whose interests might be affected. Key stakeholders typically include the project manager, the performing organization, the customer, and the project sponsor. Let's explore various organizational structures. These range from traditional functional organizations to projectized structures, and different forms of matrix organizations, including weak, balanced, and strong, as well as composite structures. In a functional organization, projects are segmented across departments, coordinated by functional managers. Conversely, a projectized organization dedicates most resources to project work, granting project managers significant independence and authority. A weak matrix organization maintains a strong functional hierarchy, with limited project manager authority. A balanced matrix, however, assigns a project manager who interacts on a more equal footing with functional managers, sharing authority. In a strong matrix, the project manager holds significant authority and manages project staff directly. A composite organization combines elements of different structures, tailoring the approach to specific project needs and organizational contexts. Different organizational structures profoundly influence project characteristics. This includes the project manager's authority, the percentage of personnel assigned full-time to projects, the project manager's role, common titles, and administrative staff support. Projectized organizations offer strong project control and clear authority but can lead to resource duplication. Functional organizations provide efficient resource use and technical depth but may struggle with project coordination and customer interface. Project management fundamentally involves three primary elements: planning, scheduling, and controlling. Planning sets objectives and defines scope, scheduling sequences activities and allocates resources, and controlling monitors progress, compares, and takes corrective action. Planning a project involves several critical steps. We begin by setting clear goals for time, cost, and performance. Then, we define the project scope, develop a detailed work breakdown schedule, and identify the necessary team and resources. Scheduling the project involves sequencing activities, assigning personnel to tasks, and scheduling deliverables using tools like Gantt charts. It also includes carefully scheduling resources to ensure availability and efficient utilization throughout the project lifecycle. Controlling the project means continuously monitoring resources, costs, and quality against the plan. It involves comparing actual progress to scheduled progress, revising plans as needed, and taking proactive actions to keep the project on track. A project team comprises individuals selected for their special skills and expertise, led by a project manager. This team coordinates activities, monitors schedules, and manages costs to ensure successful project completion. This chart illustrates how a project team might be structured within a larger organization. It shows how project managers can draw resources and expertise from various functional departments, such as engineering, finance, and production, to achieve project goals. Here's an example of typical project team members, including the project engineer, financial controller, and various managers for manufacturing, field operations, contracts, and support services. The question is, Who among these is the most important? This slide details the roles and responsibilities of key project team members. Each role, from project engineer to support service manager, has specific duties crucial for the project's success, ensuring all aspects are covered and managed effectively.